If you're considering using Later for your social media scheduling, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before buying. In this video, we'll cover 7 key points that will help you make a more informed decision. If you stick around till the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to decide if this tool is the right fit for you or if you'd be better off with a competitor. First things first, Later is primarily a social media scheduling platform, but it's known for its visual interface that lets you drag and drop posts into your content calendar. What sets it apart is how user-friendly it is compared to other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Later offers a sleek and intuitive experience that doesn't require a steep learning curve. Whether you're managing Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, this tool is designed to make your life easier by giving you all the visual tools you need to plan, organize, and schedule posts without the stress of a cluttered interface. Next thing, Later's auto-publishing feature. This is a huge benefit if you're managing multiple accounts and want to ensure posts are published at the most optimal times. Unlike other platforms, Later gives you the flexibility to schedule posts in advance, and it'll automatically publish them for you, saving you a ton of time. If you're a marketer or social media manager, this feature alone makes it easier to handle multiple clients without constantly needing to check back in on your content. The third thing, Later offers a really solid analytics tool that helps you track your performance across multiple platforms. The analytics aren't just surface level either. They give you detailed insights into your engagement rates, top performing posts, and audience growth. This kind of detailed analysis is crucial for making informed decisions about future campaigns, which can sometimes be lacking in other social scheduling platforms. Next up, Later is built with scalability in mind. If you're just starting out, you can use their free plan, which gives you access to some key features. But as you grow, you can easily upgrade to unlock more advanced options. Unlike some competitors, like Planoly, Later has a very flexible pricing model. You can start small and scale up as needed without getting locked into a restrictive contract. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Later's ability to integrate with a variety of other tools. It works seamlessly with Canva, so you can create and schedule your posts in one place without needing to jump between platforms. It also integrates with Google Analytics and other popular social media platforms to give you a more well-rounded picture of your social media strategy. Now, the sixth thing, Later is particularly strong when it comes to Instagram scheduling. It allows you to schedule posts, carousels, stories, and even video content. This is important because Instagram has been notorious for not allowing third-party platforms to post directly to their service, but Later handles this in a way that feels effortless. If Instagram is a big part of your social media strategy, Later makes it easier than ever to streamline your posting process. Finally, let's talk about Later's customer support. One of the big reasons people shy away from new software is the fear of not being able to get help when needed. With Later, you're not left on your own if something goes wrong. They have a great customer support team that's responsive and helpful, and there are also plenty of tutorials and a knowledge base to help you troubleshoot common issues on your own. So, if you're still considering whether or not Later is right for you, the most important takeaway is this. Later offers a visually driven, easy-to-use platform that scales with your business. It's not as complex or overwhelming as some of its competitors, and it's packed with the essential features you need to take your social media scheduling to the next level. If you want to try Later out for yourself and get the best possible free trial, all you need to do is click the first link in the description below. This will give you access to an exclusive deal that will make it even easier for you to see if this software is the perfect fit for your needs.